Wild noise from Nigerians to Chef Hilda Baci for eating one of her favorite meats. Got people talking. Greetings, global audience, and welcome once again. Update from DD, guys. So, in today's video, I want to talk about this Akwa Ibom lady whose name is Baci Effiong Hilda, 27 years old lady who completed and embarked on a journey, cooking journey for that matter, all by herself, guys. As we all know, the lady is from Akwa Ibom State at Isit Ubium local government area. Okay, and now that she is making waves, now that she have completed that mission, do you know that Nigerians that we are, because we are always waiting for opportunity to knock at our door before we open. Now, people have forgotten that in Akwa Ibom State, in the Calabas, they practice this culture where they eat dog. Yes, now. Even me, DD, that is from Delta State, I no go lie for now. I don't whack dog, download them with palm wine, and I go still dey chop palm if I see them. Yes, we all have our culture. In as much as this girl is now like a mini food celebrity, people are trying to bring her down after that success. It's not good now. Now know say Hilda Baci dey eat dog because she could showcase where she dey wakatalize dog with somebody on social media. Hey, oh yeah, they don't come let Nigeria lose. They don't dey talk blah 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 because now she's now an international figure. She break Guinness Book of Record for cooking for that long, for doing that. So because she break Guinness Book of Record for cooking non-stop, then make she come balage her tradition, throw away her culture, something she born can't meet, then make she do away with just like that with Nigerians with our over sabi, we too know and we don't know anything. And come to think of it, some of you are even saying that if she goes to Europe, she will go and eat their dog there. Let me tell you, European dog is different from all those local champion doggies we have in Nigeria. We have local dogs, okay, like the bingos, the what they call them, all these local dog when they know they feed, where they go chop for dustbin. Nah, yes, now. And when we even talk about dog eating, it's not all species of dog they eat. They have this specific type they eat. You cannot say they will come and eat Chihuahua or I don't know if sabi dog name more than a Rottweiler, I've been a Motorola that they call them. You will not say that if she have the opportunity to come to Europe now for an event or something to celebrate the people with or people that invited her for any program, she go come see dog for road when they waka im own say oh yeah, make gonna go colobi that dog, make gonna use am do 404 for us. No, now Nigeria, our mentality too low. I don't know who do us this thing. 404 is a part of meat from the Ibibios, Akwa Ibomites, Calabas, and all that, and that their culture. So as we get our culture, you wey dey watch me, you get your culture and tradition. Okay, so simply because of that, now Nigerians, una don dey wan lash the lady, make dem not give am the flag because e dey very reach her. And na what for now? God, na what for us? I don't know why we just sometimes no dey like ourselves. Is it because she's not a public figure? Who told you that she have not been eating dog before now? Because she post them online where then they do the business of dog eating. Something she don't they eat. You and I, those of you that will watch this video, most of us they chop dog. Yes, now even when we are not from that state, does it make us not to be a better person in the society? Does it make us now to catch dog when we see one that is not our own and we'll go behead and say we want to use and do for pepper soup? Make we they think now. Here that I live in the UK here, in short, dog they galavant everywhere, na pets. So does it mean that if I see the dog now to chop Inkita go they hungry me? But if I see Inkita, I see 404 joint, I hear say e dey, I go find and go. The way I went to Scotland and I asked of Nigeria restaurant and I was taken there. And I download within the hungry me one of the Baci for here for donkey years to buy. Yes, now. When I want make I tell you now, I don't do that video. Make una go check am. Ofen sala. I eat am well with swallow. I not even the look uche face.
So, lovelies, all this should stop. We should not insult people because of their culture and tradition that they were born into planet Earth to meet. It's very wrong, provided you did not hurt anybody with it. Guys, thanks for watching. Goodbye.